Welcome to our Model 2. The Introduction to Industry 4.0. Before we dive into the first unit, which is about history and development of the Industry 4.0, I want to inform you that this is an introductory video with the aim of raising your interest and engaging your curiosity with this topic. Like mentioned before, the first unit is about the history and development of the Industry 4.0. Introduction, definition, and historical overview. This is an example of a robotic arm capable of completing complex tasks. One of its applications could be to complete a certain part of a manufacturing process. The previous example is the perfect introduction to the main characteristics of Industry 4.0. The robotic arm serves to automate specific parts of the manufacturing process, and to achieve this it utilizes diverse technologies which benefit from various data exchanges. It integrates advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and robotics in order to achieve automation. Looking at the big picture, this robotic arm is part of a bigger system which aims to transform the regular factory into a smart factory, a factory capable of self-monitoring, self-diagnosis, and self-repair. Let's take a first look at the historical overview. As a civilization, we have had different industrial revolutions that have changed the way our world works. Changes, for example, in economical output through better productivity, also changes in the labor market to accommodate for new job requirements, which in turn leads to changes in the education system, to properly training the workers of the future to meet the demand of industry. In the late 18th century, we had mechanization, which replaced whole sections of man-made processes in manufacturing. In the late 19th century came the electric energy, which among other things allowed us to separate ourselves from oil lamps and similar inefficient light sources. And in the 70s and 80s came electronics, and through it, a different kind of automation, which shaped once again our whole world. No modern industry in the world is nowadays conceivable without digital computers. Today we are living in the next industrial revolution, one brought forward through sheer information processing power and cognitive design. The big step we are taking is all about taking advantage of all the information that is ubiquitous in our current society. This current industrial revolution is known as Industry 4.0, a term that was coined by the German government back in 2011. And like covered before, it relates to the integration of advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and robotics in the manufacturing industry. We will then take a closer look at the development of the Industry 4.0 in a timeline. From the 1980s, where the introduction of industrial robots marked the beginning of the digital revolution, through the creation of the Internet, which greatly facilitated global information exchange, then the German government coined the term Industry 4.0, and up to today, when we give rise to the smart factory. After that, we will take a closer look at the drivers of development in the Industry 4.0. The main development drivers are the Internet of Things, which is a network of physical objects with sensors and software that allows real-time monitoring, control, and communication in manufacturing, about artificial intelligence, which are machines that mimic human cognition, and advanced robots which can perform versatile tasks and benefit from learning processes provided by machine learning. An unavoidable consequence of all this innovation is an impact on the workforce. In past industrial revolutions, we have already experienced different types of impact a technology might have on the workforce. There is always a gain in productivity and efficiency brought about with automation and collaboration. This raises a need for a more skilled workforce, which is capable of utilizing and maintaining the new technology. This also means, on the other hand, that there is people that might be displaced from their job, because now is done more efficiently. But this also opens a potential for growth in the form of new skill development and adaptability to a changing world. We have now finalized the introduction to the topics of this unit. I hope your curiosity was stimulated and you are ready to take a deep dive with me in these topics. To finish the video, let's summarize what we have seen. Industry 4.0 revolutionizes the manufacturing industry by improving its productivity, efficiency, and customization through integration of advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and robotics. Because of this, there is a potential for job creation and skill development, which requires a holistic view and a careful management of its societal impact. Take care and see you in the next video.